a recycler view, match parent trap content. Okay, this is a list of data.
Yes.
Okay, and we have to set it on the top of top parent, bottom to the bottom of parent,
Yes.
start to the start of parent,
Yes.
and then end to end of parent.
Yes.
Parent, right? Maybe not on the bottom, but it will be on the top
Yes.
itself. Okay, now we have to create an adapter for it. Okay,
Yes.
let's provide an ID.
Yes.
Hmm? And on the home fragment we have to, so
Yes.
so let's create an adapter for it. So
Yes.
it will take a long time creating adapter for this, so let's ask it to chat gpt maybe. So you can write it like here
Yes.
need adapter for it. Okay, in which class you have to paste that as well. So it said that we have to create a layout first. So I will say to ChatGPT a image and title of image in list. So it have created a new one for you. Let's create a view for your list first. Okay, new layout resource file, and its name is this, and click on OK. Now whatever code ChatGPT had provided, just copy, paste it. Okay, now copy this as well and paste here. Okay, and copy this as well and paste here. All right, now
Yes.
you have to provide imports for all, like import by maybe shortcut keys, or maybe from here like this, right? All errors gone. Now next step is, it is saying that in your home fragment you have to write it like this. Okay, and that's all. So we will go to the home fragment and we are writing it like this. Image item is this one.
Yes.
Okay, our class is from your app. Image 1 is Paris, image 2 is, image 3 is New York, and your title is similarly same. And provide id, provide all the intents. Okay, now I'm running it. has provided you the places with places, a list of places, right? Now when you click on these places, any of these places, what should open? It should open its description, right? Let's increase the size of image first. Any question?
Yes.
Let's increase the size of image to 100. Okay, here as well let's increase its size also to 26 is fine. Let's provide a color. Black. Okay, fine. Now rerun it. Now see its size increases. Now how to remove this? This is home fragment. We have to remove this, right?
Yeah.
So we can remove this title from here.
Yes.
Okay. Now what if you want to show it in grids?
Yes.
Grids of 2, for example.
Yes.
Grids of 2. Okay, so for that we have to provide a grid layout,
Yes.
and we have to provide, let's provide it here itself in the code. Grid layout manager, grid layout, then columns or span count 2. Okay,
Yes.
so running it. So it's in grid now. So the list is do you know what is list here? Recycler view.
No.
Okay, I'll explain the code now.
Yes.
So here you can see it's in a grid 1 2 3 4, and like this it will be in 1 2 3 4 this format. Let's improve the format by putting it down. Okay, now it's looking much better.
Yes.
Right? Okay, I will explain it. What did we do? So we have created a recycler view here. Recycler view is basically for holding holding data.
Yes.
Okay, so we are holding data here, a list of data. We have provided an ID to it, and we said that it will be in form of grid. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
next what we do, what we did, we have created a view for these grids. So this type of view will be there, like for example I'm adding an image here for Paris. So this type of view will be there, and you can write here how many images do you want.
Yes.
So it's not okay. So you have every item will look like this
Yes.
in that list.
Yes.
Okay, now on the home fragment you have a list, and you will pass the list to your recycler view.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
So this is the recycler view, and you have passed this list to recycler view.
Yes.
So, but before that, there is a middle layer, which is
Yes.
adapter. Okay,
Yes.
so opening the adapter. So
Yes.
adapter extend the recycler view adapter. So
Yes.
this is basically a class which hold a list of item.
Yes.
Okay, don't worry about the code. You can get this type of code easily from ChatGPT or from internet. So basically, as of now, just understand that this class, the adapter, is just for holding the data.
Yes.
Okay, otherwise how will it be possible to hold a list of data like this? I mean, for this we have to create 3 images, then 3 tags, and we have to
Yes.
align it, right? But see how
Yes.
easy is it. Like if you want to add with multiple images like this, you don't need to do anything. You just need to pass the name. You just need to pass the name and image name and the title,
Yes.
and it will look like this. See,
Yes.
so that's why we have used recycler view for holding this type of data, right?
Yes.
Let me add some more data here so you will understand its value.
Yes.
See, so we can hold a list of data inside recycler view. Any question from your side?
No.
Okay, so I will share the source code and notes with you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think it's enough for today's class. It will be otherwise too much.
Uh,
Uh,
1 hour did not complete, ma'am, because the class was start late.
okay.
7 or 7:10, like that something.
Okay. No worries. No worries. I'll explain the code with you.
Yes.
Okay, because we can't mm, do more implementation. Just we can we can add more images here. Better will be like
Yes.
we can add more images here.
Yes.
Best places of world, like okay. So I'll add it like this. Okay,
Yes.
more.
Yes.
So there's I mean 20 places we have added over here, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we have Switzerland, we have Paris, we have New York, and one more place was there, UK. We
Yes.
have UK.
Yes.
UK, United
Yes.
Kingdom. Okay, now next is Tokyo. We can download the images of Tokyo.